Alright guys, we've got a 2022 Honda CRF450RX. Putting on a tethered kill switch. Just to give you an idea of how to wire it, if you've got a kill switch on your bike, it looks like this one here. That's going to come over and plug in right behind the number plate. I just pulled back the sheathing on it. I tested all this out with an ohm meter, and I've already started the bike and tested this. You've got a white wire up here in this corner and a green wire in the opposite corner over here. The two wires to the tethered kill switch, just tied those in, soldered them on, just wrapped them and soldered them. I didn't actually cut the factory wiring because I didn't want to cause any other issues at all. But I just stripped the insulation back a little bit, either direction, wrapped this around, dripped some solder in there to secure the new wires to the kill switch, routed those up to this guy, and then both kill switches will work, the tethered kill switch and the factory kill switch. Of course, this one will have to be in there for the bike to operate now. I'll probably end up picking up another one of these clips and just cutting the cable off of it so I don't always have to have it tethered and this isn't dangling. But the white and the green is what you need, and then this will plug right back in here. I'm going to tape this up and seal it up real quick, but that'll plug right back in there, and we'll be ready to ride some ice. See you guys out there.